What if the reason your channel is stuck has nothing to do with your editing, your thumbnails, or even your titles? Because that's the trap most small creators fall into. They keep changing little things, hoping one video will magically take off, while completely missing the real reason some channels suddenly explode and others stay invisible for months. And the frustrating part? A lot of good videos never grow. Not because they're bad. Not because YouTube is dead. And not because the algorithm hates you. They fail because they're missing a few signals that matter more than most creators realize. In this video, I'm going to break down what actually helps a channel grow right now, why some videos take off even when their stats don't look perfect, and the mistakes that quietly keep small creators stuck in the same place for way too long. And one of these mistakes is so common, most people are doing it without even realizing it. A lot of creators believe this. If my video is good, YouTube will push it. Sounds fair. Sounds logical. Because YouTube is not sitting there asking, is this video good? It's asking a different question. Who is most likely to care about this right now? That changes everything. You can make a solid video. Useful. Well-edited. Helpful. Even better than the videos around it. And that's where most creators get confused. They think the problem is quality. Sometimes the problem is momentum. Let me explain this in a simple way. Imagine two restaurants on the same street. One sells good burgers. The other also sells good burgers, but suddenly becomes known for one unusual item that everyone starts talking about. Now people are posting it, telling friends about it, trying it just to see what the hype is about. Same street, same type of business. But one place becomes the place people are curious about. That's what a trend does. A trend is not just a dance challenge or some random viral sound. And on YouTube, attention is everything. When a topic is hot, people click faster. They search more. They compare opinions. They want updates. They want explanations. They want to be part of the conversation. That gives your video a huge advantage before the algorithm has even fully figured it out. And no, this doesn't mean you have to chase nonsense or post empty hype. It means you need to understand what people already care about right now inside your niche, and then make your version of that topic in a way that feels useful, fresh, or surprising. That's the difference. Not copying the trend. Interpreting the trend better. This is the part that messes with people's heads. You'll sometimes see one video with better click-through rate, better watch time, and better engagement, and somehow another video with weaker stats gets way more views. First, that makes no sense. Because creators are taught to believe that better numbers automatically mean more reach. But numbers don't exist in a vacuum. A video with okay stats on a topic people are actively hungry for can outperform a video with great stats on a topic fewer people care about. That doesn't mean analytics don't matter. They absolutely do. Think of it like this. If 10 people walk past a store and 8 go inside, that's amazing. That's how YouTube works sometimes. A strong topic with real demand can beat a stronger performing video on a weaker topic. And once you understand that, you stop obsessing over stats in isolation and start asking a smarter question. Is this a video people actually want right now? That question alone can change your whole channel. Now let's talk about something creators hate hearing, but need to understand. YouTube loves clarity. If your channel posts one video about gaming, the next about self-improvement, then crypto, then travel, then motivation, then AI tools, YouTube has a problem. It doesn't know who to send your videos to. If you can answer yes to all three, you're already ahead of most creators.